Hey guys, you know that verse in Revelation where you can't buy or sell anything without the mark of the beast? Well, many people are looking at Great Britain's new digital ID plan and going, wow, that sounds a little too familiar. So here's the breakdown. Here's what's happening. Britain is pushing toward mandatory digital ID, not optional, mandatory. That means no ID, no bank account. No ID, no health care. No ID, possibly no job. Now, they're going to likely tell you it's all about making life easier for you. One app for everything. Banking, travel, doctor visits, school. It sounds really convenient, right? But here's the problem. Once your entire life goes through this government app, they can see everything. And they don't need to throw you in jail to shut you down. They just flip a switch. Lights out. So first what happens, this is like surveillance on steroids. Every move you make, every step you take, every purchase, it's all there for them to see. And you know, there's this central bank digital currency. You can get locked out instantly without a hearing, without an appeal, no judge, no jury. It's over, Rover. And then here's the big one. Employers might be forced to check your digital ID before hiring you or even paying you. And if you don't pay that credit card bill in full or you say something out of line, I don't know, maybe they could cancel you. We got to start connecting the dots. Revelation 13 says, the beast will cause everyone to receive a mark so that no one can buy or sell without it. Now, I'm not saying that the digital ID is the mark, but when people read that verse and then hear about Britain's plan, can you see why the alarms are going off? And you know, it's all about this pattern, because today they call it convenience. Remember 2 weeks to flatten the curve and 6 weeks and those types of things. And then just get this thing so that it will save humanity. And now here we are, years later, wondering, wow, why we got locked out of our grandkids' graduations and weddings and funerals and we had to stay home. Was it really just for that? Is it about compliance? And would this digital ID make everything easier for them to watch you? Okay, so here's what we can do. We got to stay awake. We got to start looking at everything that happens and ask questions loudly and boldly. Remember, our ultimate goal is not to identify with what the government is insisting that we do. We don't put our trust in any man, any human being. We put our trust in God. And with this digital ID, it feels like prophecy is unfolding in real time, don't you think? So I want to dive into this a little bit deeper, but I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this? Leave me a comment below, because I think this is just the beginning. And the Bible says not everyone has eyes to see or ears to hear. The question is, do you?